my dear art fellows! During our today's class, I'm gonna show you how to paint lovely modern Japanese food illustration in Procreate in Watercolor. And we're gonna do it in a fun and easy way. My name is Inga Yoon, I'm an artist, freelance illustrator, and I'm obsessed with watercolor, magical things and cute stuff. And during my classes, I constantly share some useful tips and tricks how to use Procreate in fun and easy way. So if you don't want to miss my new classes or freebies that I constantly share with my community, you can hit the subscribe button. And guys, your opinion is very important to me. So you can share with me what you think about my class in discussion section, or you can just rate my class, anything that is convenient for you. That's very important to me. So guys, I'm gonna take you through the whole journey, my whole creative process. First of all, I will show you where to find all my freebies, how to import them into the Procreate. After that, we're gonna create lovely paper that has watercolor texture. Our next third step will be, I will show you how to create sketch. And then finally we can start painting process. And as I told you, I will show you step-by-step process of creating food illustration in watercolor style, and it will be ramen in particularly. And also I will show you what is hue saturation and brightness, how to use curves, alpha log, why do we need clipping mask, and how to use blending modes. And in the end we will create lovely watercolor food illustration in Japanese style. I'm gonna focus on painting lovely semi-transparent watercolor food illustration as our final project. And your project will be same, to create Japanese food illustration using any way you like, and you can choose any sketch you want, and that will help you to enjoy creative process. And as a bonus, I will show you how to create texture paper for our watercolor art. I will share with you new custom brush set with so many new brushes, color palettes that I created. I will also add file of my pictures that I drew. Feel free to use it for your own art projects. This class is great for intermediate level, also can be useful for beginners. If you watched my previous classes, an experienced artist, probably here you can find inspiration and new ways how to create Japanese food illustration. Guys, I really want you to join me. I tried my best to make this tutorial fun and creative and relaxing. Completing this class will help you to learn new ways how to paint food illustration in watercolor style, and also to get general knowledge how to wisely use space and add cute elements to your art. I can't wait to start this class, and definitely I can't wait to see what you upload to project section. Please feel free to enroll and let's enjoy painting process together.